Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the backdrop color and lighting. Even tone matters. Position your subject 3 to 6 feet from the screen so you reduce color spill, and set camera white balance and exposure manually to lock consistent color. Once done, record a short test clip with the same framing and movement you plan to use. This test gives you reference for chroma sampling and reveals shadows or hot spots to fix before you commit to the full shoot. You import the test clip into your editor and apply the chroma key or key light effect, then sample the backdrop to establish the key color. Next, adjust similarity or tolerance slowly, increase until background clears, but make sure subject edges stay intact. Once you see artifacts, use edge tools. Choke to tighten matte, feather to soften harsh edges, and spill suppression to remove leftover green or blue. Keep toggling settings while playing the clip so motion stays clean. You now place the new background under your keyed subject and match color and lighting so the composite reads as one scene. Add subtle color correction and a contact shadow to ground the subject. Small changes sell the illusion. If you spot halos or color fringing, first reduce spill suppression intensity and resample. Then refine the mask with a garbage mat or manual rotoscope. If problems persist, re-record the plate with improved lighting or increased subject distance for a cleaner key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.